How you guys doing? Jamal Ellison, Nomad Day. So I'm here in Bangkok at the train station, and I swear it's so big it looks like a airport rather than a train station. But I'm on my way from Bangkok headed to Hua Hin, and you guys are gonna follow me as I get on the train for the first time. It's gonna be the Special Express. So I'm looking forward to see how this is going to turn out, and let me know what you guys think about the trip as well. All right, let's get moving. Yeah, so I'm just walking through the terminal now, and these are the restrooms. It's pretty nice in here. Again, this is my first time in this terminal, so forgive me if I make a few beginner errors. I'm sure I'll become an expert soon enough. Everything is put together pretty well in here, for the most part. And if I stop here, you can look outside and see how vast this area is here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And of course you got the signs here leading to the SRT red line, which is going to be us. We should be boarding here around 4, so it shouldn't be too long. Again, this is a train station, but it looks like an airport. If you look at everything, it's very neat and nicely put together. So that's cool. And then over here you got your vending machines. Take a look at that. You got 7-Eleven vending machines. So you can get his stuff and take a look at that. Check out some of the stuff inside of there. Okay. Can you continue moving right along? Sorry about that. Because sometimes I can't talk. And I am from Alabama, so I have a special talent of destroying words. All right. And this is showing you the different areas. This is the name of the terminal we're at right here. Be glad that I didn't have to pronounce that name. Okay. And we're just walking over to a sitting area. Again, pretty relaxing vibes in here. And again, let me know if you guys want me to keep doing more stuff like this. Got your charger station. So you can check this out. Check this view out. It's a nice day out. But since I've been on ground, it's been pretty humid too as well. So that's cool because I like the hot weather. I'll take the hot weather over the cold weather any day. This is where we got the signs showing the different lines. And of course, that's where we're going to be going in through, right over there, that red line. But I'll show you guys this cool monument here. Check it out. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, this airport is a whole vibe. It's great. I mean, sorry, airport. See, I caught myself. It's not an airport, it's a train station. But it seriously feels like an airport. All right, we'll pick this up on a train. Okay, we're here. Gotta find my train. We'll be on our way. 63. So I'm in cart 10 this time. See what they look like from the outside. Be us coming up right here, cart 10. Swadika. Is there a bathroom over here? Looking for seat 22. And this is us. So I'm here in seat 22, and I am waiting for the train to take off, and I'll give you guys some visuals later. To get settled in. Should be fun. wanted to show you guys they are turning the seats into the sleeper beds on the train. Show you guys what this looks like. Yeah, so this is a pretty cool setup. And they come around and offer you food as well if you're hungry. Currently made a quick stop. We'll be back to it. So I just got some fruit to snack on. For the remainder of the trip, it was about 50 baht, which is probably about $1.61. So it's a pretty good price. This is what the money typically looks like here. So it's 20 baht bill, 100 baht bill, and 1,000 baht bill. I wouldn't recommend showing your money out like this in a setting like this, but I'm just showing you guys for the sake of this travel video. And this is the fruit I got. I have to admit, guys, I'm having entirely too much fun in this sleeper bed. And yeah, there's nothing else I can say. I'm just happy God allowed me to be in this position to experience this kind of travel and share it with you guys. And hopefully this video has been helpful for any of you trying to make the same move to Thailand or anywhere in general. My goal with this channel is just to help you guys out, help you explore and make it easier to go through that process of transition, because I do understand it can be difficult at times, especially when you're going out on a limb, just stepping out on faith. Sometimes you just have to do it, and you can plan it to infinity, but it's only once you actually make that leap that it's gonna really pay off, and you're really going to know that, hey, you can do this, and the only thing that was stopping you was yourself. But I'm here with you guys. I'm here to support you in your travel journeys, and I'll leave you guys with this view I'm looking at. Okay, so it's almost time for me to get off of my stop. So this was a great train ride. It was a great experience. First time. Yeah, now I'll be doing this more often. It's fun. Alright guys, I guess this ends it for our journey today. And I'll see you guys again next time on the next journey. It's been fun. Okay, so I was going to end the video there, but then I changed my mind. I saw something really cool and I wanted to show it to you guys. So let me know what you think about it. You guys ready? And whoa. Now I end the video for real this time. For real. Until next time.